In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo for your email marketing needs, especially if you are just starting out. The entire process is straightforward, and we'll walk through it together, step by step, to ensure you have a smooth setup experience. To begin, open your web browser and head over to www.klaviyo.com. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner and click on Sign Up. You're going to start by creating your account, so choose email to provide your email address. Next up, you'll need a secure password. Remember, a strong password typically contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. It's a good practice to use something unique that you haven't used elsewhere. After that, you'll need to enter your company name. This should be the official name of your business as you want it to appear across your communications. Similarly, enter your company website. This is an essential part of your brand's identity online. Now, you'll be required to input your phone number. Ensure that this is a number you have access to, as it might be needed for verification processes later on. Moving forward, you'll see a section asking how you plan to use Klaviyo. Take a moment to think about your primary goals with email marketing and select the option that best aligns with your intentions. Once you've done all this, go ahead and click Create Account. After creating your account, you'll encounter a series of questions aimed at understanding your business better. Be honest with your responses, because these details can optimize your experience with the platform. For each question, after answering, simply click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to select your primary business platform. We're choosing to use Shopify as our example, so select Shopify from the list provided. Once selected, hit Continue. Now you'll need to connect your Shopify account to Klaviyo. To do this, you'll be required to type in your My Shopify URL. If you're unsure of what this is, you can find it by logging into your Shopify account. Look towards the top right of your Shopify page and click on My Store. From there, navigate to All Stores and copy the URL associated with your active Shopify store. Paste this URL into the Klaviyo setup page and click Continue. At this point, you'll be redirected to your Shopify account, where you'll see a prompt to install Klaviyo, email marketing, and SMS. Click on Install to proceed. Following installation, you'll be asked to sync data between Klaviyo and Shopify. Again, click Continue. Lastly, fill in any remaining details about your business, like your address and sender information. These will be used to personalize your email marketing. To activate your Klaviyo account, click the activation link sent to your registered email address. And just like that, you're all set to start using Klaviyo for your email marketing campaigns.